Today we are discussing a new chapter, that is integration. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं what is integration. So integration is reverse process of differentiation. Reverse process of differentiation. Okay. For example, if differentiation of fx is gx, then integration of gx is fx plus c. Okay, differentiation of fx is what? Gx. Then if you integrate gx, you will get what? Fx plus c. Okay, we will not get exact function, we will get family of function. All the functions are parallel to each other. Okay, so d by dx, we are differentiated with respect to x. So d by dx of fx. So fx is what? Differential coefficient, and this is equal to what? Gx. Now if you integrate gx, okay, so integration sign is what? This one. Integration gx. Okay, we are integrating gx into dx. This will come what? Fx plus c. Okay, this is what? Integral sign. Okay, and this function we are integrating. So this is called integrand. Okay, and dx we are integrated with respect to x. Okay, this is called integration variable. Okay, or we can say differential variable. Okay, fx is called antiderivative. Okay, because differentiation of this one is what? Gx. Then if you integrate, we will get fx. So this is called antiderivative. Or we can say primitive function, or we can say that primitive integration. Or we can say indefinite integration function. Okay, or we can say reverse derivative. Okay, opposite to derivation of fx. Okay, so this is reverse derivative. Okay, so this is your integration. Next we are discussing formulas. We know that integration is reverse process of differentiation. So one side we are writing differentiation formula, other side we are writing integration formula. So first formula is d by dx of differentiation of constant. So differentiation of constant is what? 0. Then if you integrate 0, then we will get what? Constant. So integration of 0 into dx will be what? Some constant c. Okay, second formula, d by dx of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So from here we can say that n should not be minus 1. So differentiation of this one is nothing but what? 1 upon n plus 1 we can take outside. D by dx of x power n plus 1 is nothing but what? N plus 1 into x power n plus 1 minus 1, and differentiation of x is what? Dx by dx, that is 1. So this will come what? N plus 1 getting cancelled. X power n plus 1 minus 1 is what? X power n. Okay, so differentiation of this one is what? X power n, where n should not be minus 1. So if we integrate this one, then we will get this one. Okay, so integration of x power n into dx will be what? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, this is what? Fx and this is gx. Gx is this one. So if we integrate Gx, we'll get fx plus c. Okay, here n should not be minus 1. So here also n should not be minus 1. If n is minus 1, we'll get different formula. Okay, this is second formula. Next is third formula. D by dx of sin x. We know differentiation of sin x is cos x. Then if we integrate cos x, we'll get what? Sin x. So integration of cos x into dx will be what? Sin x plus c. Next formula, d by dx of minus cos x. So if we differentiate this one, minus we can take outside. Cos x differentiation what? Minus sin x. So this will come what? Sin x. Then if you integrate sin x, we'll get what? Minus cos x plus c. So integration of sin x into dx will be what? Minus cos x plus c. Next formula, formula number 5. D by dx of tan x. Differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x. Okay, then integration of secant square x is what? Tan x. So integration of secant square x dx will be what? Tan x plus c. Okay.